Welcome to the ninth video of the module 5 numerical methods. This numerical integration 2, that is some more problems will be solved in the numerical integration. First problem, evaluate integral from 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x taking the 7 ordinates by applying the Simpson's 3/8 rule and hence deduce the value of log 2 to the base e. Here the 7 ordinates means the given interval 0, 1 must be divided into 6 equal parts, that is n equals to 6. So the upper limit minus lower limit divided by the equal number of parts, that is 6, is given by 1 by 6, that is nothing but our h. So the values of x and y equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x are tabulated. So as I have explained in the previous video, we have to find out y is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. So when I put x is equal to 0, we get 1 divided by 1 as our y naught, that is 1. Next, y1 is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus 1 upon 6. So which gives us 1 upon 7 by 6, that is 6 by 7. Similarly, y2 is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3, which on taking the reciprocal, we will be getting 3 by 4. The same thing has been written. Similarly, 3 by 6. So when I put 1 upon 1 divide 1 plus 3 by 6 is nothing but half. So half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So which reciprocal if you take, it will be 2 by 3. So the same thing has been written. Similarly, we will do for 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6 and obtain the y4 as 3 by 5, y5 as 6 by 11 and y6 as 1 by 2 respectively. Now, the Simpson's 3/8 rule for n is equal to 6 is given by 3h by 8 into y0 plus y6 plus 3 times of y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus 2 times of y3. Then we will substitute these values 3 times of h by 8 into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 times of 6 by 7 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 plus 6 by 11 plus 2 times of 2 by 3, which is equal to 0.6932. Hence, the integral from 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x is given by 0.6932. This is the answer we have obtained from the Simpson's 3/8 rule. Now, in order to deduce the value of log 2 to base e, we need to integrate the given function theoretically. And we know that the integral of 1 upon 1 plus x is given by log of 1 plus x with a base e, where the limits are 0 to 1. If I put a limit as upper limit, that is 1, we get a log 2 to base e. And when I put the lower limit as 0, that is log 1 to base e. And we know that log 1 to base e will be 0. Therefore, we are getting this is equal to log 2 to base e. Equating this with the obtained numerical value, we get log 2 to base e is equal to 0.6932. Next problem. Evaluate integral from 0 to 0.3 1 minus 8x cube of to the power of half into dx by considering 3 equal intervals applying the Simpson's 3/8 rule. The length of each interval is h is equal to 3 minus 0 divided by 3, which is equal to 0.1, or n is equal to 3. So the values of x and y is equal to 1 minus 8x cube to the power of half are tabulated as follows. So as I have explained in the previous problem, we can obtain y naught, that is 1 minus 0 cube to the power of half, which will be 1. So we have got it. Next, y1 is given by 1 minus 0.1 the whole cube to the power of half, which will give us 0.9960. Similarly, y2 is obtained as 1 minus 0.2 the whole cube to the power of half. So which gives us 0.9675. Similarly for 0.3, that is 1 minus 0.3 the whole cube to the power of half. If we do, we get 0.8854. So we got all the values of y0, y1, y2 and y3. Now let us substitute in the formula. Consider the formula, that is Simpson's 3/8 rule for n is equal to 3, which is given by integral from 0 to 3 1 minus 8x cube to the power of half into dx is equal to 3h by 8 into y0 plus y3 plus 3 times of y1 plus y2. Let us substitute in the formula. Then 3h by 8 into 1 plus 0.8854 plus 3 times of 0.9960 plus 0.9675, which on simplification gives us 0.2916. Therefore, the integral from 0 to 0.3 1 minus 8x cube to the power of half into dx is equal to 0.2916. Next problem. Use Simpson's 1/3 rule to find integral from 0 to 0.6 e to the power of minus x square into dx by taking 6 subintervals. The length of each part is given by 0.6 minus 0 divided by 6, which is equal to 0.1, and n is equal to 6. The value of x and y equal to e power minus x square correct to the 4 decimal places are tabulated as follows. So here also we are substituting e to the power of minus 0 square as our y0. So that is equal to 1. Next, e to the power of minus 0.1 the whole square, which will be 0.99, which has been written here. Similarly, e to the power of minus 0.2 the whole square, which will be equal to 0.9608 and so on. So we will be obtaining all the values of y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5, y6. Then it is tabulated. Now let us consider the formula for 1/3 rule when n is equal to 6 is as follows. That is 1 by 3 into y0 plus y6 plus 4 times of y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 times of y2 plus y4. On substitution, 1 by 3 times of 1 plus 0.6977 plus 4 times of 0.99 plus 0.9139 plus 0.7788 plus 2 times of 0.9608 plus 0.8521. That is, on simplification, we will be getting 0.5351. So, the integral from 0 to 0.6 e to the power of minus x square into dx is equal to 0.5351. So this is the answer we will be getting from the Simpson's 1/3 rule. Thank you.